Oh, where?
Oh my God, $100 bill. The freshest shrimps of my entire life. The water quality actually looks good here. Welcome to Da Nang and welcome to the north part of the beach. Look at this, there's absolutely no one walking on this beach or is on this beach. We are here at the Le Sands Hotel, which I already reviewed in my most viewed hotel review on my main channel, Social Sammy. And we have also the Leaf Hotel here, very interesting. I'm today with Marcus. Hello Marcus. And we're gonna explore this area a little bit. There are some nice hotels here. So the Leaf Hotel, then smaller hotels. I could imagine you can get a very good deal here too. In front of us is the Peninsula Hotel. We already reviewed this area one time, but yeah, we have a little bit of a convenience store here. This looks like a stylish bar or coffee shop.
Da Nang Bay Hotel.
Lots of trash, all right. And Mango Garden, also closed, sadly. Okay. Is it? I think it's the next street. So this here is like a little bit of a local area, most likely. But we're gonna walk now here to the right and explore a little bit the second row of this neighborhood, because I think this is also a pretty nice neighborhood if you want to have it more calm, no banbao guy or whatever. That is interesting region for maybe staying a few months here also. Because look at this beach. No one is there. Looks very nice. They just planted some new palm trees there. So I think in 1 year or so it's gonna be very nice looking. But now we're gonna walk here. Let's check it out. Nahang Tongnu. That's a seafood restaurant. So here in Sontra, in this neighborhood, in this whole big neighborhood, you will find the best seafood here, because also it comes straight from the ocean to the seafood restaurants there as well. You got a spa massage place here. And this looks like a condo building. Yes, I know lots of friends of mine stayed here a year ago. It was very, very affordable, this whole neighborhood.
Oh, she's waving the hands for you.
Hello. Hello.
Thank you.
So here's a massage hotspot here.
Okay, like 3 Stunden.
Hello.
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 Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a good time.
You too. Thank you.
Time.
Yeah, super nice here.
Hello, thank you.
Hello. You got a bar over here. You got some laundry places. We actually want to take a little stroll to a...
Look at this. I think around the truck is a temple.
Oh yeah, look at this.
Oh,
it's
shrine.
It's a little shrine. Beautiful, all right. Okay, guys. Watch out, bro. This is actually the neighborhood from a very nice lady, May. One of the best mi quangs I had in my life was there. Super nice lady, very nice street food place. I hope she's still there. The last time I made a video there one time, 1.5 years ago with Kenny. But I don't know if she's still there, so I will explore. And I remember when, look at this is also apartment building. Yeah. When I went there last time, there was so many good street food places, also Kompdam, and very affordable as well. There's lots of restaurants here, but what you don't have is like a Western hotspot here. Called no Western food, I think, but we will find out.
This looks very new.
Oh wow! Yeah, that is pretty much new. Okay. This might be a very interesting region here.
So we was in the Levantu street. Now we are in the Nguyen Sang.
So we went from the beach Levantu and now Winsan. Okay, perfect. Let's check it out. That's my lady here, May Map. I don't know if she still remembers me. I hope she. Look at this. This is also very good dishes here. It's always full here. Lots of people eat here. I'm not sure. Okay, it changed a little bit. Here we have now a coffee shop. I think it's May Map. Yes, this one. May. Xin chào. Hello. Look at you. Oh. How are you?
It's okay.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm filming. Okay.
You remember him?
Yes, of course. I come back.
Lovely.
Okay. All right, guys. Okay. All right, so we're gonna have a quang now, and then we're gonna continue. It's so much. We only ordered with egg because they're closing in 10 minutes, so it's a little bit. You have to come here before 1 o'clock. But this is just beautiful. It's this is still my number one here. Lots
Delicioso.
of eggs. Very kind owner. They also have bun bo and bun mam heo quay, so my favorite pork belly noodles, the cold ones, beautiful. Yeah, we're gonna eat this and then we're gonna continue. Very tasty. Thank you, May.
Thank you, May.
Thank you, Chi.
Thank you very much.
Okay, bye. Bye. See you soon, okay?
Have a good day to the boat.
Thank you. Bye. So lovely. Oh.
This is also a reason to buy your guide, right? You have
Yes.
Google Maps guide.
Those kind of places I also have in my Google Maps guide. It's a little bit further out, but it's definitely worth coming here. The quang was so big. Marcus and I, we are full now. It's most like the most quang I ever seen for 30,000 dong.
Each.
$1.10, and so lovely. She was like, "Oh, you need more? And I said, "No. I cannot eat more."
like a Miquan buffet.
Yes, this is like you feel like you're coming to someone's home and the auntie or the mother is cooking for you. This is the vibe she's giving you. Super friendly and.
Fancy store here
Yeah.
at the right side.
What is
Natural
this?
morning.
What is this? Oh.
A barber shop, you see, it's also Milo.
Milo barbershop. Oh, okay.
And then it's natural.
Natural noni. That looks sketchy.
One moment. Noni is that when you were, these? Noni?
I don't know. What is this? Yeah, I just asked. I was a little bit scared to film,
Yes.
but it is nothing shady. It's agar wood. They're just selling agar wood. Okay, and look at this. It's a brand new barbershop there. It just have the flowers there. That means it's new.
Yeah, let me
All right,
say-
they're having their nap now, so we don't want to disturb
say
them.
congratulations, but
Yeah, then they're having their
napping.
nap. Oh, look, a juice store. Maybe we find some
look me
nukmia for you.
I want look me
Look how calm the streets is.
You're crazy.
Electric bicycle helps out a normal bicycle driver. They're pretty fast.
Yes.
What a calm area here. It is, however, now noontime, so people most likely also have some naps. But look at this, for example, this place here, apartment building, looks pretty modern, maybe 5 years old or something. Maybe it's not even open, so it's even newer. Pretty interesting, guys. Look at this. This is a residential area.
Is it?
Should we check this out here? I don't know where we are. Maybe a little bit more here.
The street is the Trong Quang.
We are still in the same street. We just did a little bit of a U-turn. Look at this. There's a big boat. Interesting.
look at the
Oh,
steering
it's
wheel.
no. This is the engine. So this is a speedboat.
Well, but I thought they're always using the paddles.
Yeah, no. This is like high speed. Maybe they have some boat races there. Look at this. It's so calm area here, guys. Wondering if they have some kind of coffee shops out here somewhere. I think something is gonna come up here soon.
Maybe they have, but there's not like westernized
Yeah.
coffee shops. Oh, there's a new fruit.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, imagine
Fruit
you have this
farm.
apartment above.
Yeah. Looks pretty cool. Oh, you know what? Yo!
Where we are.
Yo! I did not know where this place is for so long. I had one of the best shrimps I've ever had in my life was
here?
here. Yes.
No.
I think. Let me double check. It looks like it.
Okay, the name is.
Yes, it is. I was sitting here the other day with my wife and her 5 Vietnamese best friends from Hanoi.
Uh-huh.
We were sitting here, the freshest shrimps of my entire life.
Okay.
Great seafood, great. I don't like seafood. I like this place. It looks a little bit sketchy from here now. At night, it's good.
Close we are to the beach.
Yes, now I know where it was. I always said I want to go back here, but I did not know the name. And I drove around at night and we found that place.
But
This is great.
Then it was never in your Google Maps guide, right?
No, but I will put it in now.
Exactly.
I will put this spot into my Google Maps guide because I know how good that was. So if you want authentic Vietnamese seafood with normal prices, not the expensive prices, this place definitely. It's great. It's great. I'm gonna come back here. Screw it, man. The shrimps. Screw my disgust for seafood, but these shrimps, man, it's just another level.
What makes it so special?
It felt like it was perfect. It was so. I never had this kind of fresh taste in my mouth. It was just perfect.
Oh.
It was the best shrimps I had. Great.
And they
spot.
serve it with the cocktail sauce or
They serve it with all kinds of stuff. Maybe I have some footage and I will put it in here. But yeah, it was fantastic. So it's all right. Now let's go on. Let's move on to the beach again. See where we go out here. And yeah, it's very interesting. This whole neighborhood. We just had a sugarcane juice for 10,000 dong. I also saw coffee shops for 10,000. Really interesting.
Then the German word for today is Zuckerrohrsaft.
Zuckerrohrsaft, German word of the day. Sugarcane juice is Zuckerrohrsaft or Nuk Mia. Nuk Mia. Nuk Mia Zuckerrohrsaft. But at least in German everything is like exactly precise.
Yes.
Very interesting boats here. I don't know if they're still in
No, I don't
working,
believe.
operating. Sadly, there's lots of trash, but there's not real tourism here besides of most likely local seafood tourism. Look at this, it's very interesting. What is that? That's a snail store.
Is it?
And pork belly. Woo, woo, woo. Yes, yes, yes. But lemon leaves? Lemon leaves and pork belly?
I think
Und
it's
hier
very
nochmal
delicious. Frog legs.
Stir-fried frog legs. Oh,
You can
very
see the
tasty.
frog legs.
Oh la la. And then here the snails with butter and garlic. Hello, how are you? Is it your shop?
Yeah, my wife and
Oh,
me.
awesome, awesome. Nice. Is it new or is it
New.
New.
Just 1 month and 6 days.
Oh, cool. What is your
Congratulations.
specialty?
Our specialty is of course the
Snails?
Hainan, the seafood.
Ah, okay.
And most of all customers satisfied with oyster.
Oysters.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Our oyster is quite big and very fresh. Every day come. Now today oyster is just 1 hour ago arriving here, and our kitchen staff
It's already
prepared.
Awesome. Okay.
And even actually as a foreigner that is a little bit dangerous to eat raw oyster
Yeah.
like a sashimi.
Yeah.
But already some foreigner, of course local people, they enjoy a lot the raw oyster.
Yeah.
But there was no problem. But still I cannot recommend. but-
Grill, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Because we are all foreigners.
It's good.
here.
My wife loves snails. Maybe I will come.
This one.
Yeah,
This
yeah,
one,
yeah.
very nice with banh mi, and then
Yeah,
our restaurant,
exactly. Yeah,
our
yeah.
restaurant chef is they have experience a 5-star hotel,
Oh.
and then same also that very big restaurant for 15 years
Okay.
already. That's why I can tell you our food is taste and setup is a little bit different with other ordinary local
Interesting.
restaurants.
You know what? We will try it out.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right.
We
What is
will.
your name?
My name is Lee. I'm
Lee?
from Korea.
Nice to meet you, Lee.
Look at him, Mr. Lee Marcus. My name.
Okay.
We are from
Awesome.
Germany. And
Germany.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes. Okay.
When I was young, I learned about in school. The teachers teach the student a lot about Germany, how they grow up from nothing, and then you have to learn from German people like that.
All right.
very-
Awesome.
thank you
Yeah,
very
I already have it now in my walking tour, and we will come back, Lee. Have a
Yeah.
good day.
Have a good day too.
Okay. Bye bye.
Thank you.
So this is called Haizo, and this Korean man speaks very well English.
to be
Very
honest.
well. Huh?
He sold me.
Yeah.
I want to test it. Because he said something with oysters and this and that, and I said, okay.
But he also said he doesn't recommend eating oysters raw, but it's actually a thing, you know. Don't risk it. If you want to eat oysters, just do it like the locals also. They grill it with some, yeah, no, not only cheese. Cheese is optional, what I don't like actually. I don't like cheese on oysters, but they also, what is very interesting, they put this peanuts and chive oil and things like that on top. Tastes very delicious. Yeah, but if you are into seafood, this whole neighborhood is yours.
No.
It's fake?
Yeah, but it's got me almost. I thought, no, it's my lucky day. Not the fake me. Shit.
Oh, $100 bill.
Oh no, where?
Oh my God, $100 bill.
Is it true?
$100 bill. 500 dong. 1,000 dong. Let it rain, let it rain.
Let it rain because you don't have to pick up the money. It's for the gods.
Okay, okay. All right.
I thought I
Another
I
one.
thought 500. I swear my God.
Oh, this is so funny. I love Marcus. He's always so excited. But look how much money
Yeah.
this is. This is money and trash walk here.
Hallelujah.
Oh my God. Okay,
It's a
guys.
money walk.
All right, we are now here back at the Le Sands. Okay, let's go over there and finish it here and check out the beach again. Very interesting neighborhood. I think the fresh seafood is getting displayed over there in the morning. So also very nice to see. You don't have that many palm trees at the moment because they are not grown up yet. But I think as soon as they're grown up, they're gonna give you some shade. And yeah, it's gonna be great. The water quality actually looks good here. Yeah, there is nothing really here. You have to know that too. Not really drinks or something. But there are some convenience stores over there, so you can get some drinks there and just go here. Maybe bring your own umbrella or so. I don't know.
Let's do the Mexican way.
All right.
Everybody
yes.
went to Oxxo and bought this stuff.
Exactly. Get a cooler,
Yeah.
get some beers,
Yeah.
do some dancing here, or play some volleyball over there. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video and see you in the next one.